This is a must-see. Beautiful 2,200 HTD square foot home sitting on Hole 9 of Darbong Country Club. This home features 3 bedrooms/2 full baths with a spacious, open floor plan with beautiful custom scored stained concrete flooring with an amazing 19 by 22 bonus room that can be used for a home office, 4th bedroom or additional entertainment space. All bedrooms are generously sized and the master features his/her closets with large ensuite. And if the interior is not enough to sell you, step out onto the covered back patio and enjoy the view of the golf course while enjoying your morning coffee and let the kids run and play in the tree-shaded lot. Let's not forget the fisherman in the family. You are only minutes away from the subdivision's private boat ramp for access to Lake Darbong. This is one you don't want to miss out on. Call today to schedule your private showing.